What is up, you guys? What is good? And welcome back to yet another hair install video. You guys, for today's video, I am partnering up with yet again Beauty Forever Hair to bring you guys the first V-part wig I think I've mentioned on my channel in a long time, and this is going to be a wet and wavy V-part wig. Now, when I think of wet and wavy, you guys, the first thing that comes to my mind is middle school, ripple deep, okay? Milky Way, ripple deep, girl. If you know, then you know. And this wig is definitely giving me those vibes. Now, when it comes to this V-part wig, you guys can wear it two ways. You can wear it a way to where you're having leave out, but as you guys can see, girl, sis has in the 3-month-old cornrow Harriet Tubmans, okay? And they are kind of frazzled, a little bit frayed, and a little bit frizzy. But honestly, you guys, it worked out perfectly because I tried the method of making like an invisible part, if you guys can kind of see. Now, I've been seeing this trend go on a lot on YouTube, and I decided to give it a try because I'm one of those girls that do not like to take down their braids. I love getting my money's worth out of my cornrows, honey, because I am a wiggy wig girl, and it's just more convenient to keep the slick backs in. So I did do the invisible part, and it worked out just fine for me. Now, one thing I do want to point out very quickly is that the most important thing in this style when you are not using leave out for your V-part wig is to have very good and secure anchor braids. Now, my anchor braids were very thin because I have, I think, 10 braids in my hair. So they were a lot more narrow, and with that being said, the clips kind of tugged on my braids a little bit too much and did kind of have some tension. So I suggest you guys having a little bit thicker of an anchor braid, a lot more security, and if you can, if you prefer to, the next time I install this wig, I thought about actually cutting out the clips and having it sewed onto my anchor braids, which would also act as like a longer term protective style. That's definitely something that you guys can try with this unit if you guys are interested. And yeah, the styling process was not long at all, you guys. The install process was literally a matter of minutes. As you guys can see, this video is not that long. To style this hair, to style the waves, I just sprayed some water in it, applied a little bit of mousse, even though I don't think the mousse was necessary. Girl, the curls bounced back with no problem. Also, this hair did come to me straight. But of course, with every wig I get, no matter V-part or lace front, I do wash her, and this is the natural texture of the wig. Another pro tip I can give you when it comes to using the V-part wig without leave out is to make sure that your clips and the middle of the hair is as close to each other as possible. Of course, leaving enough space to make that little faux part, but having the wefts close together just gives it more of that natural illusion that's just coming out of your scalp. And also try to comb the hair over the tracks towards the front. As you can see, if you receive the wig, you'll see that there's like a little bit of lace in the middle to make it look more flesh, and the lace is black, so that way it's meshing well with the hair that you have left out. And also, if you do use a leave out, it will be a lot more seamless as well. But either way, the hair looks flawless. I am in love with this curl pattern. The hair was extremely soft. That is the first thing I recognized after I washed and dried the hair. That is definitely one of the biggest pros, along with firstly the hair being extremely low maintenance and also very quick to apply and take off. We love a low maintenance throw on and go queen. And with that being said, you guys, that is the end of this install. Very quick, easy, simple, and to the point, and we love to see it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and of course the subscribe button down below. Also, a super big heartfelt thank you to Squats for Beauty Forever Hair for partnering up with your girl for today's video and sending me this lovely unit. I am in love with it, and yeah. As always, my lovelies, I thank all of you guys so much for watching. But until next time, your crown may tilt, but you never let it fall. Stay gilded.